This is Bryant's Automotive. Got another Ford F-150 5.4 Triton. Makes popping noise and cam timing codes on bank 1. And bank 2 seemed to be pretty good. Bank 1 was retarded all the time. At least 12 degrees. And I knew that was an issue. So anyways, I pulled this thing apart and this is what's going on. Stupid light's kind of giving us a shadow here. Okay, on this side, as you can see, the tensioner, not the tensioner, but the guide rail is completely gone on the long side. It's all busted up down here on the bottom. See if I get this stupid thing to stay somewhere. There we go. Anyways, it's all busted up right here.